Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you the location of your battery in a 2018 Mazda 3 with a 2.5 liter. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. The hood release location is on the driver's side, left side of your knee. It's located with the car and the hood opened. It's a lever right there. I'll show you. You lift it up, and right in the center is the lever. That's the hood lock latch. And you bring it over to the driver's side. You lift your hood. The prop rod's in the front, and the location is clearly marked with an arrow. On this 2018 Mazda 3, the battery is located in front of the driver's seat in the engine compartment. The negative and the positive are clearly marked. Positive right there. It has red under the black box to confirm it. And the negative is uncovered out in the open. And like always, you have two different size posts. When it's a top post, you'll have the larger of the two is always positive, and the narrower is a negative. Always make sure your cover is down and covered on your positive, and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.